Hello students, how you all are? I hope you all will be fine. Today I will be starting the lesson of the third lesson that we are doing since previous 2-3 videos, adjectives and degrees of comparison. So most of the things are taught in the previous videos, and the last topic of this lesson was how to make comparisons. So some rules are there, I am telling you, and the exercises which are remaining I am sending you in the PDF, and one exercise I have done here also. After explaining the rule, I have done one exercise also. So first of all, let us study about the rules. How to make comparisons between two degree of adjectives, from positive degree to positive degree, positive to comparative degree, comparative to positive degree, superlative to positive degree. All these things we have to study. So some rules are there. A few more rules we will be discussing later. But today we will be studying the basic rules that we come to know. Some more rules are there. You will be knowing it by your regular practice. That is, you will come to know. But today we will be studying this one. First rule is use of as. As is used when two sentences are compared when they are of positive degree. Suppose that if I said Suman and Kanika are tall. Suman and Kanika are tall. In one sentence, there are two people are compared. Suman also is compared and Kanika. Means Suman is also tall and Kanika is also tall. So if we are talking about these two persons and both are of positive degree and both are of equal importance, how much tall is Suman? In that much tall is Kanika also. When both are equal comparison, equal things, and both are positive, so here we will write Suman is as tall as Kanika. As. Suppose that if I said Ram and Shyam are intelligent, both are positive degree. Ram is also intelligent, Shyam is also intelligent, and when we are comparing them, we will write Ram is as intelligent as Shyam. So use of as is done when two equal things are compared and both are of positive degree and equal importance. This was the first rule. Second is use of not as. Now you will ask, sir, not as will use where? When we are comparing, we are coming from comparative degree to positive degree. Suppose that if I said Raman is taller than Suresh. Now here Raman is they are of not equal importance. Raman is more tall and Suresh is less tall. So if I am coming from comparative degree to positive, so who is more tall? Raman is more tall. So we will say that Suresh is not as tall as. So here not as and as is there. Who is not equal to the more taller one? Suresh is not equal. So Suresh is not as tall as or so tall as. Both are equal. Both are the same thing. If I said I have not as good marks as Mahesh, and if I said I have not got so good marks as Mahesh, both are of equal importance. So not as tall as and so tall as Raman. Second is Suresh is less taller than Raman. Now not as tall as or so tall as, and if I said less taller than Raman, both are all the three things are of the same sense. Not as tall as Raman, so tall as Raman, less taller as Raman. So this is the second rule when we are comparing two things which are, one is comparative, one is more importance and other is less importance, and we are coming from comparative to superlative degree. In this way we will convert them. Third is use of least. Least is in superlative degree. Suppose that if I say I got the best marks in exam, and if I am best marks, best is the superlative degree, good, better and best. So if I am talking, if I will convert from superlative to positive degree, what I will say? What is the positive degree of best? Good is the positive degree. So I will say I got the least good marks in the examination. Least bad marks in the examination. I got the least bad means uh, the people. If I am talking in the bad sense, my marks is least bad means if my marks is best, then it will be least bad. So if we will use least by uh, the its opposite meaning, positive degree of opposite meaning. That suppose that was the easiest exam I have written. That was the easiest exams I have written. Easiest. This is the superlative degree. So comparative will be easier and positive will be easy. So when we are converting easiest, what we will say? Least difficult. When least is I'm talking about, so the its opposite degree will be difficult. So least difficult. That was the least difficult that I have written. So now page number 20. This is the exercise which is on page number 20, and it is P exercise. Suppose that first is given wolfram is one of the rarest animals. Rarest, its opposite will be common. Wolfram is one of the least common of all mammals. Second, to me the Indian gooseberry is the sourest of all food. The opposite of sourest is sweet. So we will write, to me the Indian gooseberry is least sweet. Opposite of sourest is sweet. So we will write least sweet. In the same way, third is, this is the most useless of all my suitcase. What is the opposite of useless? Useful. So what we will write? This is the least useful of all my suitcase. Fourth is, he occupied the most comfortable position to watch the match. What is the most opposite of most comfortable? It will be the least comfortable. Least uncomfortable. Least uncomfortable. So here will be, he occupied the least uncomfortable position to watch the match. So that's all for today, and prepare well, and exercises I have given, and you do it, and try to understand it. Thank you.